Hey everybody, this is your boy Oscar Taboo here coming with a new video. This is going to be an unboxing of our late night pallet. This is going to be one of our moneymaker pallets, which we're really fond of. And first off, before I even go on my rant, I want to say thank you to everybody for the support. Everyone that's been sharing our posts, family, friends, we thank you. And we plan to expand only because of you guys. So once again, this is Oscar Taboo with Universal Marketing. I just want to make sure we do an unboxing of some of these moneymaker pallets, which are more beefed up than they have been before. So we're really excited about that. And we want to show you guys a little bit about, what items there are in there. So we have a vacuum. Next item is going to be a toilet. This is going to be a code. You always want to look at the boxes and the codes. It's TY91B0165, and it's going to be a toilet. It's going to be like a camping toilet. It retails at 76 bucks. You can see everything's all intact inside of the box and with all of the foam. So in this box we have two new white nightstands, and here's the manual from Jack's Petty. They retail at $130. Here's all the hardware, hasn't been touched at all. Just to show you guys the new items. This is obviously an overstock item. It comes in perfect condition like this. You could just sell it as is and rebuild. Okay, in this box we have a black Vanity, and it retails at $190. So this is going to be, here's all the hardware. Just to show you how these packages come. When they're overstocked, they come all wrapped up in perfect condition. And I don't really like to touch these too much, but the instructions, it has a box on another box. And show you guys, it's all pretty much ready to go, and then the pieces on top, and then there's going to be a whole another box at the bottom. I built one of these, great, sell for a good 150, 160 bucks. Okay, this item here is, let's go ahead and see what it is. It's a wooden nightstand. Cute for the bathroom. It's about 80 bucks. Perfect condition. Ooh. Not unless I break it. So in this box we have a fold-in sofa bed. And to give you an idea, this is a sofa bed that retails at $200. It's in really good condition. Of course, the box has the codes on the outside, but to give you an idea of the color, it's a little couch, a sofa bed couch. Retails at, once again, 200 bucks. So in this box that came here is an modern office chair that is going to retail at 125 bucks. So you'll get things that are returns, but that are in perfect condition. So this is a green modern chair. I kind of had it already somewhat rebuilt or built, just to kind of show you guys. This is what it looks like. So I just need to obviously screw it together and then dust it off a little bit. And it's about 125 bucks, so I would probably sell it about 180. All right, right here we have a Obios chair, and it retails at $300. It's perfect in the plastic. Really nice office chair. And here's the box. Let me show you guys the box. Pretty heavy. Oh shit. So, ready to go. So this right here, this box, it retails at roughly about $130, $140. It's from Jack's Petty in mint condition. It actually was a return, but as you can see, everything is intact. It's a nightstand. It's two really pretty nightstands. Once again, roughly about $130, $140, and I'll be going ahead and posting a picture of what the item is. Alright, so here's another accent chair. Really pretty. I had to put some gloves on because it's a really sensitive chair. So, came with these gold bars, and it retails at $231. But just to give you an idea, it's wrapped up in this really nice wrapping here, and it is in perfect condition. Came with all the hardware. So I'm going to just put it back in the pack. That's what you want to do, is check all your items just to make sure that everything's intact and all the hardware is there. And package it back up, put it in the box, and resell it for close to the value. So this is a box from Ace Life, really heavy aluminum. Just to give you guys an idea, this is a whole aluminum in a table set, just like one of those fold-out camping table sets with benches. And it's all in here. It's all foamed up. Once again, it's rather heavy, and I'd rather not take it out, but it's completely brand new. So I don't want to devalue the product. So it sells for roughly about $79 or $80. And I would sell it roughly about anywhere from about the same price. So this something like this, you don't really need to drop down too much in price. Sell it for around what it sells for, since it's brand spanking new. Thank you. Alrighty, we have a really big box. So just to give you an idea of this big box, I don't know if you can zoom in here, but I mean, it's super heavy, comes intact with, I'll pull out a piece. I don't want to break it all apart, but this is about a $200 piece. It's an entertainment center. This is just one of the doors to the entertainment center. TV stand, all that. It's rather large. The box is at least, a good 5 feet tall. So this is one of the boxes, and then we have something else. I want to show you guys. The next item is a bed frame. Bed frame is rather big, and it runs for roughly about $100. The bed frame, this was actually used, but they put all the hardware in there. We got roughly on all of these items, we got, I didn't go over some of the smaller items that were maybe about 15, 20 bucks, 30 bucks. But it was rare. We got a lot of big jumbo items, and some of the items were upwards of 300, 400 bucks, and as low as $80, $70. So, we really believe in these pallets. These pallets are really great, large items if you guys have the space. Not only that, we had really no items that were messed up, except for actually one item that was messed up. It was a little toy car that was about 50, 60 bucks. Other than that, everything else was intact, and we're so happy on, putting these pallets on the market. So thank you very much for watching the video, and please make sure you guys are contacting us for appointments. We'll be more than happy to answer all of your questions. You guys have a good rest of the day. Love you guys.